This video is a guide on how to use halo switch. If you notice, halo switch has 5 wires. Blue for common, green for normally open, yellow for normally close, red for positive, and black for negative. These wires have different functions. Common, which is the blue wire usually used as the power supply source. Then normally open, which is the green wire, and normally close, which is the yellow wire, are the power output when you press the halo switch. These 2 wires, red for positive and black for negative, were used to turn on the halo light. Let's try to connect these wires to 12 volts power supply. You notice that halo light will turn if we connect positive and negative to 12 volts power supply. Let's go back to switching method. Common, or blue, will be connected to 12 volts power supply. Black wire will be connected to ground. If we press the switch, normally open or green has the power supply from common or blue. If we will turn off the switch, yellow or normally close has the power supply. Halo switch is just like a two-way switch. Let's try again. Push the button, green or normally open has the power. Turn off the button, yellow or normally close has the power. If you want the halo light to turn on when you switch on the switch, connect the red wire to normally open. Let's try. But if you want the halo light to turn off when you switch on the halo switch, connect the red wire to normally close or yellow. Let's try. Also, if you want your halo light to turn on all the time, connect red wire to positive 12 volts supply. Let's try. Hope you learned something from this video.